Hello, in this video we are going to see how to perform a recurring journal entry through the journal entry screen. Let's take a look at the agenda. So first we'll see what business trigger initiate this process. We'll see the data involved, the process itself, the output, then the dependencies and the exceptions. So business trigger. So here the need is to book journals with same line items and same debit credit amounts each period. So that's why we are using the recurring journals. The data involved are the journal, the entity, the period, and we will need to review both the FQA and debit credit amounts. Now let's move to the process. So step one is to access the general ledger module, then we'll open journals batch entry. So we'll go to the general ledger module, then in the main menu we select journal and then batch entry. Step 3 is to enter general informations in tab 1, which is batch entry. So we'll select the entity, we'll select the journal, and the journal needs to be a recurring journal. So here the description of the journal is recurring journal and the journal type is recurring. We also can see that when we select the journal here, the line count and total debit credit for the control column displayed. This will only show when using the recurring journal. In case we use a normal manual journal, it will be 0 here, and in case we use the standard journal, only the line count will display. Now let's select the period, and as you can see the batch number will display automatically. So this is batch number 1 for period 3, journal, recurring journal, and entity 15. And you can see as well that the actual fields displayed here, and there is no difference between the control and actual. Now let's enter the batch description. So we can say test a recurring journal, and now let's continue the process. So step 4 is to check the FQA debit credit amounts in tab number 4. So we'll go back to the GL, we go to the line items and check the account, the cost center, the APs, etc. We'll check the description and debit credit amounts. Then we'll move to tab 3, validation tab, to make sure that our entries are valid. So we'll go to validation, we'll make sure that the entries are valid, and final step is we go back to tab 1 and save our entries. So tab number 1, and we click on save to save the entries, and then we close. Now we can move to the output. So here the output is that the transactions are recorded into a journal in the system. The dependencies are the journal correction, validation, and posting. We might want to correct this journal, or we will directly validate it and post it. And the exceptions are if we are going to enter journals with different FQAs or journals with same FQAs but with different accounts. So in this case we could not choose the recurring journal. Thank you for watching.